Do you often experience a burning sensation in your chest after eating? Ever wake up in the middle of the night with a bitter taste in your mouth? You might be dealing with acid reflux. Imagine if you could ease this discomfort with simple remedies found right in your kitchen. Stay tuned, because today we're diving into the world of natural remedies for acid reflux. By the end of this video, you'll have a toolkit of effective and easy solutions to keep that annoying heartburn at bay. Number 1. Ginger Magic. Ginger is a powerful anti-inflammatory that can help reduce the discomfort of acid reflux. Simply make a ginger tea by boiling slices of ginger in water for 10 minutes. Sip this soothing tea before meals to keep your stomach calm. Comment below if you've tried ginger for acid reflux or if you have any other tips. Number 2. Aloe Vera Juice. Aloe vera isn't just for soothing sunburns. It can also help soothe your digestive tract. Drink half a cup of aloe vera juice before meals to help reduce inflammation and acid production. Have you ever used aloe vera for something other than sunburn? Let us know. Number 3. Chew on some gum. Chewing gum stimulates saliva production, which can help neutralize stomach acid. Go for sugar-free gum to avoid extra calories and cavities. Try chewing gum after meals to see if it helps. Does chewing gum work for you? Share your experiences in the comments. Number 4. Apple cider vinegar. It might seem counterintuitive, but apple cider vinegar can help balance stomach acid levels. Mix 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar with a glass of water and drink it before meals. Have you tried this remedy? Did it work for you? We'd love to hear your thoughts. Number 5. Baking soda solution. Baking soda is a natural antacid that can provide quick relief. Mix half a teaspoon of baking soda with a glass of water and drink it slowly. However, don't rely on this too often as it can affect your body's pH balance. pH refers to how acidic or basic, also called alkaline, a substance is. pH balance is essential for the human body to help organ systems. The pH scale ranges from 0, strongly acidic, to 14, strongly basic or alkaline. pH of 7.0 in the middle of this scale is neutral. Blood is normally slightly basic, with a normal pH range of about 7.35 to 7.45. Usually the body maintains the pH of blood close to 7.40. Quick poll. Have you ever used baking soda for acid reflux? Yes or no? Number 6. Lifestyle changes. Sometimes the best remedy is prevention. Avoid trigger foods like spicy dishes, caffeine, and chocolate. Eat smaller, more frequent meals and try not to eat right before bed. Elevate your head while sleeping to prevent nighttime reflux. What lifestyle changes have helped you manage acid reflux? Let's discuss in the comments. And there you have it. 6 simple, natural remedies to help manage acid reflux and keep that burning sensation at bay. Remember, everyone's body is different, so what works for one person might not work for another. It's all about finding the right remedy for you. If you found these tips helpful, please give this video a thumbs up, share it with someone who might need it, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more natural remedy guides. Next time, we'll be exploring natural remedies for hair growth. If you're looking to boost your hair health naturally, you won't want to miss it. Hit the notification bell so you won't miss any of our new videos. See you next time.